Your living room is stuck in the past. While your phone and laptop are racing into the future, that little box under your TV hasn't changed in years. The current Apple TV 4K is running on aging hardware, and in the fast-moving tech world, that's basically ancient history. But that's about to change, in a big way. Apple is preparing what could be the most important upgrade the Apple TV has ever seen, and this isn't just a simple refresh. This is a complete reinvention. For years, the Apple TV felt like a side project. Something Apple updated occasionally, but now, it's becoming the center of your entire digital life. The biggest shift starts with power. Rumors suggest the new model could jump from the old A15 chip to something as powerful as the A18 Pro, or even higher. That's the kind of performance you'd expect in a flagship smartphone, now sitting under your TV. Why does that matter? Because Apple isn't just building a streaming box anymore, they're building an AI-powered command center. Imagine asking Siri to control your entire home, and it happens instantly. No lag, no cloud delay, everything processed right there in your living room, keeping your data private and lightning fast. But that's just the beginning. Apple is also going after gaming. With this level of power, the new Apple TV could run full console-quality games, titles like Resident Evil, Assassin's Creed, and Death Stranding, natively. That means no expensive console, no bulky hardware, just a tiny box delivering a massive experience. And with support for PlayStation and Xbox controllers already built in, it's basically plug-and-play gaming at a fraction of the cost. Connectivity is getting a major upgrade too. We're expecting Wi-Fi 7, which means faster speeds, ultra-low latency, and smooth streaming, even in homes packed with connected devices. Whether you're watching 8K content or gaming online, everything just works. Apple is also fixing one of the most annoying problems: the remote. The new Siri remote could include ultra-wideband technology, letting you track it using your iPhone. No more searching through couch cushions, just open Find My and locate it instantly. Simple, but game-changing. And then there's the ecosystem. This device isn't just for entertainment anymore. It's your smart home hub, controlling lights, cameras, locks, and more using Matter and Thread support. There are even rumors of a built-in camera or accessory for FaceTime and fitness tracking, turning your TV into a fully interactive experience. But here's where things get really interesting. Pricing. Apple might split the lineup into two versions. A budget-friendly model, possibly under $100, to compete with Roku and Fire TV. And a high-end, Pro version with maximum performance, more storage, and advanced features for gamers and power users. If Apple gets this right, they won't just compete, they could dominate the living room. Because this isn't just another gadget anymore. It's the brain of your home. The hub for your entertainment, your smart devices, your games, and your daily life. After years of waiting, Apple is finally taking the Apple TV seriously. And if these rumors are true, your living room is about to get a massive upgrade.